But I love the greenhouse. I call this my wildflower casita. And for those of you that don't know what casita means cottage in Spanish. So my little wildflower cottage, but I call it casita. And it is my second season of having it. My husband and I built this greenhouse from a kit last May, and then we stopped because it was around Memorial Day and it got really hot, and we didn't put the polycarbonate on yet. So we waited till October, and we got the rest of the kit build, got the poly on it, and then by a week or two later, we had like six inches of snow at the end of October. It was crazy. So I had just gotten the plants in and didn't have any shelves built. You know, had to get them in because they would have died in that weather. And this year went through, well, first of all, let me back up a step. Went through the whole winter season, not knowing what to expect, how cold this greenhouse would get, you know, and it stays probably about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than the outside temp. So if it's like 32 outside and in here, it's probably gonna be about 42. And then, so I went through the winter and I have a little space heater that I use. I plug it in. When we start getting down in the low 30s and the 20s. And this is, doesn't get hot. It's got a ceramic plate in it, and it heats really well. And it heated the greenhouse all winter. And I run an extension cord down, and it plugs in by my back slider doors as an outlet outside. So that worked really well. And got through the whole season. Got through the summer because I didn't know how hot it was going to get, I should say. And so I ended up putting shade cloth over it. For the summer, because it did get extremely hot. I have crushed stone in here, so it's the stone heats up and really makes the greenhouse warm as well. So that shade cloth really did a good job keeping it cool here. And it probably kept it about 80s, 90s, wasn't too bad. And so this fall, I've had some free time. I went and built my tables that this particular pot is on. So I built this, and if you go back to my TikTok page, and you can scroll down a few videos there, you'll see I did a time lapse of me building these. I am a handywoman. I like to work with my tools and power tools, and I like to build things. I like to create. I like to craft. So a lot of times I come down, and my husband, he helps when I need him to, but for the most part I can handle a lot of my little things myself. And so I just set up my tripod and do time-lapse videos. I installed some wood racks on my shed and the back of my greenhouse to pick up this old lumber we had laying around, so you can see those time-lapse videos as well. But yeah, I enjoy gardening, get my hands dirty. I don't know if you guys could see the birds flying by. Those are wild quail. Excuse me, those are wild quail flying by right now. So yeah, I enjoy doing that stuff.